Hi everybody, welcome back to another lesson. In today's lesson, we're going to go over the 3 warm-ups that I've posted already. That is the 1, 2, 3, 4s, 1, 2, 3, 4, alternate fingers, and the staircase warm-up. Now all these are linked below. You can watch them in great detail if you'd like. I'm going to speed through them today. 2 things before we move on. One is I want to show you this great Fender heavy pick, and I'm going to tell you a story about this at the end of the lesson. 2, this is a disclaimer about this YouTube channel. This is a guitar education channel, music education channel. I don't want it to be about me showing off. If you want to see me showing off, I'll tell you some ways you can watch me showing off at the end of the lesson. This is all about teaching advanced players to beginner players. If you're more advanced and you want to move through these lessons a little faster, you can actually click the settings button, the little wheel, the gears, and speed up these videos so you can watch them a little faster. And if you're a beginner and you need to watch them a little slower, you can even slow down the videos as well. But again, today we're going to rip through all 3 of the warm-ups that I have out right now. So let's do it. So the first warm-up is the 1, 2, 3, 4s. Pretty self-explanatory, right? Our fingers are labeled 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're just going to be going up the guitar and fret after fret and moving through the 1, 2, 3, 4s. Again, I go into great detail about some of the good habits that you can think about this on the 1, 2, 3, 4 video. So you want to keep your fingers nice and close to the frets. All alternate picking. You can even do some palm muting. 3rd position now, right? Fret 3. Don't push down too hard. Once you're finished playing the fret, you can keep these fingers on the fretboard. Nothing you do back here matters besides this pinky here. So the next warm-up video is the 1, 2, 3, 4s with alternate fingers. So what we're going to be doing is 1, 2, 3, 4 on the first string. The next string we're going to be going 2, 3, 4, 1. So we're taking that first finger and we're going to put it at the back of the sequence now. And then we're just going to keep doing that from then on. So here we go. I'm going to explain it on the way. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next one's going to be 2, 3, 4, 1. And then 3, 4, 1, 2. And then 4, 1, 2, 3. Let's do that from the top again, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3. And then you just keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1. When you get to the end, just slide everything up. 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get to this position, it just restarts. Palm muting. It's a great warm-up and it gets your brain going a little bit. If you've had a cup of coffee, it's a great one to start with. Okay, the last lesson, the last warm-ups lesson that I've posted is the staircase. Now this one is probably my favorite one because it hits a lot of problems that we have as guitar players head on, especially when we're doing alternate picking. When we're doing alternate picking over the strings like this. That's basically the gist of the exercise there. So we're going to be taking our first finger and starting that on that first fret on the 4th string and making a little staircase down. Once you're done there, you move your first finger down to fret 2. Fret 2, and then we just work our way back up the staircase. Let's start this again. First finger on the 1st fret on the 4th string. 2nd finger on the 3rd string. 2nd fret, 3rd finger, 3rd fret, pinky, move it down. 1st finger on that 2nd fret, little staircase down. If you hold it, that's fine. I usually lift all of my fingers up slightly after I'm done. It's not like holding a chord. So you can keep going. If you want, I've only transcribed up until the 12th fret. So if you want to see the tabs, I've put links in the tabs below to my website, lastguitarexperience.com, where you can print these out. Okay, so again, going into a little more detail on this, keep your fingers low after you lift off the strings. You can also try this with palm muting. Once you get to the top, it's just the same pattern down. So once again, starting from the top, 4th finger on that 12th fret, 3rd finger on 11, 2nd finger on 10, and then 1st finger on 9. You move your pinky to 11, and just go back down. A great warm-up. I really hope you enjoyed this series of warm-ups and this quick play-along video as well. If you want to see some different kinds of lessons, please let me know in the comments below. I have a bunch of stuff coming up, and I look forward to hearing what kind of things that you might like to see in the future. So now to talk about this guitar pick a little bit. When I first started, I was 11 years old, and these guitar picks were kind of the only ones that I really liked. I don't know, I was obsessed with them. I would get a pack of these picks and I'd play with them until they were right worn down. Now I'm not as picky with my picks, but I do tend to switch up my picks quite a lot depending on the style and depending on the guitar and the thickness of strings and what style of guitar I'm playing too. So that being said, I'm less picky with guitar picks, but I definitely like these Fender heavy ones if I'm recommending picks to anybody. And for number 2, that disclaimer at the beginning, if you want to see me shred on some stuff, I have a band called The Pickups. We just released a new tune called Don't Use That Brain. I also have a solo project that's just Conroy Lee Ross, and that's on Spotify and everywhere else. You can also look at conroyross.bandcamp.com. You can also see lastguitarexperience.com. I have tracks on there, and I play bass in the band The Carbons, so you can check out The Carbons tunes as well for my shred skills. But yeah, this is, again, it's not going to be more of a show-off channel. I will do a little bit of performance stuff on some of the lessons, but again, I don't want to show off. This is more of music education. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit like, please hit subscribe, and please hit that notification bell so you never miss another lesson when they come out. Again, check out lastguitarexperience.com where you can print all these tabs out and follow along with video content as well. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.